vlog. Today we're going to be doing a decorate with me in the guest bathroom. This is a very small bathroom and we typically don't really, we use it but we don't use it a lot. During the holiday season we do get a lot of company and I am really excited. So I always decorate the bathroom for the fall and I decorate for Christmas. But today we're going to be doing a fall decorate with me. So if you have a small bathroom, I mean, as you can see, this is the size of this bathroom, the width of this bathroom. So it's not big at all. And then I have it, you know, so it's not even a big space, but it's a cute space. It does what it needs to be doing. So that's what we're going to do today. I am going to fix these towels first of all. I had to change the light. I don't know why it only had one light in there, but such is life. Let's get this fall decor started. Love me now, love me now, love me now. At the house on you, I'm lucky now, lucky now, lucky now. You gotta tell me. The first thing I'm going to do is I gotta redo these towels. That's what I want to do first. Don't be coming for me about how I fold the towels. I don't. My little rack is just, it's not big enough for the size towels that I got. So I'm just going to make do with what I have. I figured it out. So you see how I kind of jaggered the edge? That's what it is. Yes, I figured it out. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna quit playing. All right, vlog. I got this clever idea. These are table placemats. Now, I've never even used these on the table. I bought these years ago. So what my thoughts are is to fold them like so. I'm not sure how this is going to look. I'm going to try it. How about we just add just a touch of color. I may take it down, I'm not sure, but we're just gonna see how it turns out. And while I'm thinking about it, you guys, it seems like it was just a couple weeks ago. I was telling you guys how hot it was, remember? We are up under a freeze warning, believe it or not. Yes, a freeze warning. For tomorrow of all days. And I know some of you guys don't agree with Halloween. We take Chloe trick-or-treating for candy. You know, it's fun to her to dress up and, you know, everybody has their own opinion. I'm not for Halloween for the evilness and all that. That's not what we do. We simply just let Chloe dress up because that's what she likes to do. And we take her around our neighborhood, which is a community full of good people. We live in a great community, you know, thank God. So we love to see all the kids out. I mean, when you see kids out here trick-or-treating in our neighborhood, it is literally like back in the day when I was trick-or-treating. I mean, where all the kids are out and everybody's having fun. So I love to see that. Just to see all the kids out, all the parents out. They're doing hay rides up and down the streets. It's just a fun, safe environment. It's been safe every year. So we love it. So that's why we do it, because Chloe loves to dress up. So if you've been watching my channel, you know she loves to dress up because she is a princess, okay? You guys see how I added that? Just a touch, you know. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see. Okay, let's do this section here. I already just wiping all the dust, not dust, but I already cleaned it, you guys. I cleaned it already. But I'm going to, I have this little, I don't know, vine, what do you call it? Vine, fall vine. And I was thinking of just wrapping it around here. Trying to figure out a way to lock it in without it showing. Again, these are, I got some tape on here. I'll have to go back later and take that off. Again, these little fall vines or fall leaves are from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So I'm going to use this. So I'm just trying to show you ways that you can use this little stuff. Just use what you got. Honestly, I have actually gotten away with not having to buy a lot of stuff. So I'm repurposing a lot of my fall decor. I really am. I got these fall leaves from Hobby Lobby. You guys know the section I was telling you guys about, the section where they have all the single items. This actually was like this, and I just bent the leaf. And I'm just going to put it on here. Hopefully. I'm going to try to kind of add the leaf in it to make it look like it was together. I just thought that was a cute little idea. I have these acorns that I want to use also. So I'm going to basically, I don't know, that might be too much, but I'll put that there. If you've watched the fireplace mantle, which was the video I put out last week, I told you guys that I didn't want to move a lot of the current decor that I already have, in place. I want to just add to it because I don't want to move a lot of stuff. I think that is really cute. You guys tell me what you think. So I'm going to add this little pumpkin here. I'm going to have to go to Home Goods and see if they have like a fall soap dish or something like that instead of the actual bottle. But we'll leave that there for now. I love this so much, so this is always in here. I love it. But I think that's cute. I think that's a cute little design. I also have these fall leaves. These are just singular, I don't know, little vines that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how I want to put this, so I want you guys to give me your opinion in the comment section. You guys tell me what you think. I thought about putting it up here. I thought about wrapping it like this. Could do something like this. So you guys tell me if you like it up here, or here's my other ideal. And just a little plug. I actually did this. This is Velcro on the back of here, you guys. I actually did this. Jason cut the wood and I painted it and I made this frame for the mirror. I'll try to remember to link that video because I am good for forgetting to link things, which I apologize for. So what about that? I think I like it like that. So let's do this little section to tie everything in. I think I should pull this. I don't know. I don't want to mess with it. So I kind of want to put the same fall effect that I did over here. I've already bent this up. So I just bent the back of it. I think I got some brown sticks or something I could put in there. Let me go see. This is what I found. Now these are just laying around. Something that I have just hanging out in the house already. I've had this for years. I had this when I lived in Denver, you guys. That's how long I've been having. I like that. I like that effect. I wish it didn't go down so far though. Maybe I can. So I'm gonna add this. Just adding a little something, but let me add this little piece here to add some coloring with it. And this is what you see right when you walk in the bathroom. I am going to, it's coming apart. I'm gonna simply just put these pieces together. So just some fall leaves hanging off of this. That's all I'm doing. It doesn't take much. It didn't take much to make me happy. It really doesn't. So I'm gonna put this pumpkin there. Ooh, I love it. I'm really liking it. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna go find something to put up here. I feel like it needs something. You know what I wish I had? I wish I had some orange curtains. And I would trade out the gray ones for the orange. But it might be too much orange. I don't know. I don't mind color in here, you guys, because we don't come in here a lot. So I don't know. Just wanted to add that there. I gotta find a picture to go up here. I've never thought about getting a Halloween picture, but not a Halloween picture, a fall picture. Oh! You guys, I think I have one in the attic. I think I actually have one. Yay! I'm gonna have Jason get my fall picture from in the attic. He's at the gym right now. But yeah, I'm gonna have him bring that down. I am so excited. I didn't even think about that. Let's go ahead and we're gonna work on this, okay? These are just random pumpkins that I have that I collected. I got from the Dollar Tree. This came from the Dollar Tree. I mean, it's, again, I'm using everything that I already have. These are like some little wood sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree also. And I got this probably a year ago. I might have gotten this stuff last year when I did that video on all those DIYs. And these are just some leaves that are hanging around. So I just kind of created like a little fall basket, that's all. All right, so I'm gonna put the picture up there. Jason got the picture down for me, I'm so excited. So this picture has just been sitting in the attic, you guys. So I figure it's fall time, I'm gonna use it. So, this is so perfect, so perfect. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's perfect. That is so perfect. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But that is so perfect, you guys. Okay, I still may go and get something to go here. I'm not too sure, but to me, that will tie everything in. But here is the final look. You guys, this is so beautiful. I love it. I love it.